In today's fast-paced world, business and individual professionals are continuously struggling for greater efficiency and streamlined workflow. Artificial intelligence tools are, therefore, becoming increasingly important. This is why we're here with 5 incredible AI solutions that can significantly increase your work efficiency. So watch this video all the way through as it's jam-packed with information. Number 5, Notion AI. If you're a content creator or working in a small team of creators, spending weeks on a single project to have compelling ideas, then we have the best management tools for you. That is Notion AI. With its remarkable features, Notion AI can assist you in distilling the most important ideas from your disorganized notes. With just one click, you may have the entire script for your upcoming video or blog written for you, and interestingly, you can select your writing style. Above all, it's an amazing way of storing all your important project-related information in one place, increasing your productivity. Like you can store systems and processes docs, templates, and SOPs of your agency or company, and automate your business operational functions, like hiring, training, and all, which is very important to achieve freedom from your business. You'll be shocked to learn that this program also allows you to write codes and build an entirely new website in a matter of minutes, so make sure to give it a try. Number 4, Lovo AI. If you're currently spending hours choosing voiceovers for your YouTube automation channel or any of your videos that will keep the audience captivating and engaging, then this tool is for you. Lovo AI is another amazing tool that is a must-have for video editors and voiceover artists. Lovo is a hyper-realistic AI voice generator with its super rich feature set, which will help you experience incredible human-like voices with its 500-plus voices in 100 languages. In this way, you can make amazing videos for students, games, and any kind of audience within a matter of minutes. Furthermore, with its 14-day free trial, you can enjoy 20 minutes of voice generation, including many key features. Then if it works for you, you can choose their paid plans. Number 3, Reclaim AI. Fed up with unproductive days and weeks of meetings? You don't know where to start and what to do first from your to-do list. If you're a small business owner, graphic designer, social media manager, or a person doing multiple side hustles, and you're fed up with unproductive scheduling, then Reclaim AI can do wonders for you. Reclaim AI is an AI scheduling tool that can automate the best available and possible time for your upcoming project meetings before due dates. It will do task scheduling, organize your habits by automating daily planning, and will allow you to schedule meeting links with high priority and flexible duration. In addition to this, Reclaim will keep your calendars in sync, so you don't have to worry about block time and can schedule breaks and free time after your video calls and meetings. In this way, you can increase your team productivity and balance between work and life. Number 2, StockImage.ai. Are you tired of designing logos and images? Or are you new to graphic designing and confused about what you really want to create? Let's put an end to your struggling days, because StockImage.ai is here to the rescue. You can create logos, icons, posters, wallpaper, stock images, book covers, and much more just by using this single platform. Basically, with advanced features and technology, StockImage.ai allows you to create high-quality images in seconds. You don't have to waste hours or learn graphic design to create book covers, posters, and images. Start by creating a free account. After joining, you will be given 10 free credits. With 1 credit, you can generate 1 image, logo, or whatever you want. After this, you have to enter text explaining or illustrating what you want, and in seconds, a high-quality image will appear next to your screen. Moreover, you can also view its gallery consisting of hundreds of images, so that you know what you want, and use them for commercial and non-commercial purposes. Number 1, Learning Studio AI. Are you a student looking for a platform where you can learn about something from scratch? Or are you a teacher who wants to create a course? Or do you want to create a course and make money through it by selling it across your circle? You will be shocked to know that Learning Studio AI can do this for you in just 90 seconds. Simply go to the website and register for a free account. You have to enter the subject. After entering the subject, click the Create Course button to finish your work. Your interesting and high-caliber course will be ready in 90 seconds. Also, you don't have to worry about grammar mistakes or fonts because of the incredible features of this AI tool. Additionally, it will include the appropriate photographs and the most attractive course will be produced. You can select a variety of languages for your course. Furthermore, you can add any diagram or delete anything from your course by just clicking on Preview if you still want to make changes. In the end, your courses are available for download or sharing as well. That's the end of our video. Make sure to let us know in the comment which productive AI tool you think would be helpful for you in making your way. Thanks for watching!